Hey guys, this is Lewis with Wreck Tools along with Travis. We're going to demonstrate now how to take this fixture and check the stroke of your crank. We just demonstrated how to line the marks up and check where your cam gear is in relation to the timing and the center line of the cam. So now we're going to show you how to check the stroke.
Okay. First thing, guys, I'm going to take my 1/4 inch Allen wrench. And I'm not going to take this bolt out, I'm just going to loosen it. About 1/4 to 1/2 turn, I'm going to slide my pin out. The pin is what allows this to go right back where it was, so as that you're calibrated correctly to check your crank gear. Again, I'm going to put my crank in dot to dot. Now I'm going to rotate. I'm going to slide in front of you guys here. I'm going to rotate my crank to bottom dead center. First move my arm over, get my arm center. Take my 3-inch dial indicator, run it down. Now I'm going to tighten up my thumb screw to lock the 3-inch dial indicator into place. Now I'm just gently going to rotate the crankshaft back and forth and zero my needle back and forth. Alright, got it? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to lift up the 3-inch dial indicator stem and rotate my crank to top dead center. Now I'm going to come back and forth, and as you can see, max lift on a stock crank. This was a takeout, so I know it's somewhere close to the stock, to the max stroke, which is 2-inch 133. I'm going to rotate that back and forth, and you can see my needle is going to 24. So that tells me that the stroke on this crank, you can count the needles going around if you want to know you're at 2-inch, but I know this is a 2-inch, close to a stock crank. So right now, this fixture is telling me that the stroke of this crank is a 2-inch 124 by just rotating it back and forth. That's how this fixture will check your crank gear, the timing on your crank gear, and the stroke of the crank, all on the tabletop without having to take it in and out of the motor.
Thanks guys. If you have any questions, send us an email or you can call us.